Good morning. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel. And look what I've got. The Ninja Foodi Grill. I'm going to open it today, right now. And we're going to see what this bad boy looks like. Ashley said, wow, this is one heavy little sucker. So I'm going to keep it on the kitchen table because this is the grill and the foodie is back over here behind me. I got a little table on wheels for it, but it's not big enough. So, wow, they've really got this thing taped in here. And I've got to take it apart and wash it. And the first thing I'm going to fix it is some hamburgers, which is probably what everybody fixes in theirs or whatever. Wow. And this is a grill and an air fryer. So I'm pretty excited about it. I have got the Power XL air fryer that hasn't even been taken out of the box yet. And it's the big 7-quart one. But I think I'm just going to leave that, and my daughter and her fiance are looking for a house now, and she won't watch this, so they don't watch my videos, which really is kind of sad, but they don't. So she won't know, but I'm going to give it to them when they get their house. This is just got air crisp, roast, and bake. It doesn't. I saw one that came with the dehydrate part, but this one doesn't. I don't know why. A basket, and they all fit right down in there. Let me get you up. The fry pan fits right down in here like that. And then the grill part, they all have this little notch on the back. And the grill part goes right down in here with the little notch part back here with that. So there's the grill part. Here's the fry basket. But my Ninja Foodi has the fryer too, the fry pan too. It just doesn't have the grill. And then you've got this little thing up here, a mesh thing to keep the oil from going in around the thing up there. And it's really pretty cool, huh? I'm excited. We're going to clean this, and I'm going to fix some hamburgers in it. And while I'm fixing hamburgers in this, I'm going to fix some potatoes in my Ninja Foodi, which I probably could do in here at the same time, but just to make it easier, I'm going to do the hamburgers in here and the potatoes in the Ninja Foodi. So I will bring y'all back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, so I've cut up my potatoes. They're going to go in the Ninja Foodi. This is the second thing that I fixed in the Ninja Foodi. The first thing was chicken. It was chicken leg quarters. And it was amazing. It was just amazing. All right, so I'm going to fix these potatoes in there. I'm going to air fry these and see what they taste like. I wanted to leave the skin on them, and I didn't do that because these potatoes were getting old and the skin was kind of withered and I didn't really want to do that. So I've got to get some fresh potatoes and do it with the skin on them. I'm looking forward to that. I want to see what they taste like. But I just want a pet peeve of mine is I watch a lot of people on YouTube. A lot of people. I watch a lot of people peel potatoes. And I guess I am totally OCD because when I peel my potatoes, you will never see a brown mark. I mean, a brown anything brown left on my potatoes. I'm totally OCD about that. I've seen people peel potatoes and there be all kinds. It's like they miss these spots or whatever on their potatoes, and I know it's just me. I know I'm OCD about it or whatever, but I really, y'all comment below if you're OCD about making sure there's no spots on your potatoes. See, there's none on mine. So y'all comment below and let me know if y'all make sure that your potatoes are good and white and no brown spots on them. All right, so I'm letting these soak in the water because that takes the starch out of them, and that way they'll be crispier. So I'm going to let these soak for another 30 minutes or so, and I'm going to then patty out, before that, I'll patty out the hamburgers, and I'm going to cook the hamburgers in the grill and the potatoes in the Ninja Foodi. So I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all, I have got the Ninja Foodi right here. I've got it preheating, and I have the Ninja Grill, which y'all probably can't see because of the light. It's preheating. You can see right there the button or whatever. And let me show you the hamburgers. I have got the hamburgers sitting right here. I've got salt and pepper on them. That's all I put on the hamburgers. And then I have the potatoes here. And all I have on them is I've got grapeseed oil. I've got the Badia Complete seasoning. And I've got salt and pepper. And that's all. And I'm waiting until everything gets preheated. And I'm going to do the potatoes for 20 minutes. And I'm going to check them. I'm going to do them in the air fryer. And the hamburgers I'm going to do on the grill of the grill part of the Ninja Grill. And so I will bring you back when I get everything in, and show you. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. I'm just gonna take the tongs and move them around because I'm gonna let them cook for at least 15 minutes. It may be longer than that. I'm not sure, but all right, so let me put it back down and I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all, this says add food. I'm sure you can see it right there. It's saying add food. So I've got to add these hamburgers. Listen to them sizzle. Alright, so I didn't even, let's see, 15 minutes is what I've got it on. Yes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes now on the potatoes. Oh, I feel them. They're definitely cooking. I'm going to put them down. I think it's going to take longer. I've only got 5 more minutes left. I think it's going to take longer than that. And I'm coming up on 5 minutes and the hamburgers. I will bring you back. Okay, y'all. I'm just showing you. Wow, look at these grill marks on that. You'd think he's outside on the grill. Alright, let me get this one flipped over. Okay. Now, it's been 5 minutes on these. I really don't think that they're going to take the next 10 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all, there's 1 minute left on this, and these are definitely not going to be done in 1 minute. So before the time runs out and I have to go back and totally reset it, I'm going to put these on another 10 minutes. I guess because there's so many in here. But I'm going to go on and let's see. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so, and I think when I put this, yep. Alright, so it went back to 10 minutes. So I'll bring you back when these get done. Alright, y'all. Here are the hamburgers. I've got the buns in here. You can see them. I love my buns. Crispy. So I've got those in there. The French fries, I had to start them back over on another 10 minutes. So that's 35 minutes. I got one out and it took a, it's going to take probably those 35 minutes to get all those done. I guess it's because there's so many in there. I don't know. But I will bring you back when everything gets ready. Okay, y'all, here it is. It took the potatoes 34 minutes. It took the hamburgers 10 minutes. And that's it. And let me get a fork. And I want to try. I've already taken a bite of the hamburger. It's amazing. This grill thing is amazing to cook these on. 10 minutes? Huh, that's great. All right, now here's the potato. All right. Even though it took a long time. And then again, it could have been that it took a long time because I was using both the Ninja Grill and the Ninja Foodi at the same time. And I made my, I don't think you can hear it, but I made my bun crispy. This is an amazing lunch for Ashley and I. Hamburgers with tomato and onions and potatoes and cooked in the Ninja Grill and the Ninja Foodi both. So I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, my Instagram, and also there are links below to a lot of stuff that I use in my kitchen. If I've got to add on some more stuff, but it's a lot below there. So look at it, and if you'd like anything, go on and purchase it. It doesn't cost you any more. It does just help the channel a little bit. So y'all have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.